Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, punto medical ta karong buntaga atong hisgutan tungod kay sunod semana sa ulugon man ang World Heart Day. Dunay lain-lain nga mga kampanya ug advokasya alang sa katawhan pag-amping gyud sa ilang kasing-kasing likayan kini mga cardiovascular diseases. Karong buntaga mga kapuso, mao kini atong hisgutan makauban ato cardiologist Dr. Heidi Yadaw. Good morning, doktora.
May buntag. Good morning, Nico. Salamat sa pag-invite nako diri no sa inyong programa.
Thank you so much, Doc, for joining us this morning. Doktora, unsa maning atong kasaulugan sa World Heart Day o nganong kamo nga mga doktor muhimo man ani nga mga advokasya, doktora?
Okay, World Heart Day is a global campaign Indonesia wherein mga individuals, communities, governments and medical doctors around the world participate in activities that take charge of heart health. Mm-hmm. So kanimang gud nga programa is a perfect platform to raise awareness to the people on how to fight against cardiovascular disease. Since even up to this point, cardiovascular disease is still the leading cause of death.
Unsay mga kalihukan giline up ninyo, Doc? Aning maong kasaulugan, doktora?
For this time, we can still show and raise awareness to the people through the FB na. We have this new platform in this one of pandemic. Every Saturday, since last week of August, nag-start mi og Zumba, no? Mm-hmm. Zoom, Z-O-O-M-B-A, Zumba. Mm-hmm. No, this is usually participated by cardiologists here in Cebu. And we also invited the Philippine Heart Association sa Manila. So this coming September 29, that is a Tuesday. So our Zumba would be 6 in the morning up to 7 in the morning. So kuan na siya, live na siya, no? Amo nang i-post sa among wall. Then it will be followed by a lecture. We call it Sweethearts, no?
Doktor, you were saying kaganiha, Doc, leading cause of death gihapon ang mga sakit sa kasing-kasing, Doc?
Yes, that's true.
Bisan diri sa Pilipinas, dili ra worldwide, Doc. Unsay hinungdan ani, Doc? Unsay factor gyud ani, Doc?
Daghan tay risk factors no para mo increase ang atong kanang incidence of cardiovascular disease. Mo include man gud ang cardiovascular disease would include heart disease and stroke, duha na siya. And ang mga risk factors nga atong gi-mention kung tag-as tag blood pressure or high blood ta. Another is kung tag-as atong cholesterol level, the bad cholesterol, mubo atong good cholesterol, and increase atong sugar levels. So isa na sa mga risk factors. Another one is obesity.
Sa una, Doc, moingon heart attack kuno ma-characterize nga old man's disease. Pero unsa man nagkabata ba, Doc, ang mga posibleng magkaingon ani?
Yes, even mga 20s, no, 27, na natay mga patients, no, who are having cardiovascular or heart attack nga nahita po. Maybe because of the present lifestyle karon, no, lahi na ang diet karon, especially with the advent of kanang internet and all, no. Most people are already kanang sedentary na lifestyle. Most of them are already facing the computer all the time. And it can also raise the risk for having cardiovascular or heart attack even in mga younger ones.
So unsaon pagpaubos na to, doktora, sa risgo ining mga heart attack o mga cardiovascular diseases, Doc? Lifestyle gyud ni o diet ba?
I mentioned about blood pressure. So for blood pressure, ang salt intake really has a very big role to that, no? Pwede siya makasaka yun sa imong blood pressure. Also genetics. But if ever we have increased blood pressure, we have to consult a doctor para maagapan dayon siya. Of course, your cholesterol level, we have to control it. Diet again, no? And also the sugar. So still, no, diet gyud gihapon. And also it will help, no, the activities or exercise, it will help decrease this BP, the cholesterol, and the sugar. And smoking, no? Smoking has really a big role in controlling this risk factor. So we have to avoid that or no jud unta.
ang stress o anxiety kuno Dok, labi na karong panahon na sa COVID-19 sa pandemic, posible ba ning maka-trigger og heart attack, Dok?
Karon especially nga pandemic, aside from that, with the stress and the anxiety, the level of activity of the people, so I think it can contribute, no, aside from the stress alone.
Murag doon ako na mo'y kuan po, Dok, sa Philippine Heart Association, doon na mo'y video, we're showing videos, Dok, kaning inyong entry gikan sa Cebu, doon na kay panawagan sa atong mga nagtan-aw sab karong buntaga, Doktora.
So I hope ato ni Cebu. So we are asking the public, everyone, to promote, no. In this video, we are promoting the advocacies of the Philippine Heart Association. At the same time, we are showcasing or promoting the landmarks of Cebu. So I hope everyone will help us. Check your FB and view, like, and share. Thank you.
Thank you, Doktora.
Thank you, Nico. Thank you.